Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we are eating pepper steak with mashed potatoes, broccoli, and some corn.
Yes, pepper steak.
Okay, and this is the last and final part of the horrible kitchen.
Finale, that's it. Finito. Done.
Yes.
Today is the last day.
Last day.
Hope you're enjoying the story because I know y'all know because y'all nosy and want to hear.
So like I said, I have mashed potatoes and this is pepper steak. It is really good. I was tasting the pot. I can taste the pot in my ears.
We got pepper steak on my portion tomorrow today.
My broccoli nice and crispy. I love my broccoli crispy.
Pepper steak, nice. I just dip it now.
Yeah, man. I mean, if you tell you say the pepper steak tastes nice.
Wow. Yeah, don't worry. You gotta get chill out, man. Cut it out.
I was so hungry, I had to eat a nectarine.
Yeah.
Because I didn't want to get grumpy.
5 minutes. I'm hungry. Get a long day. A long day to now. Well rested.
You ever been so hungry? Like you're gonna curse somebody out? That was me today.
Yeah, she's hungry. Ain't no person gonna be hungry out here. Take a piece of this corn. I'm gonna rotate it for you. No, it does. It's not no Mexican corn. Cut it out. What do you think this is today? This ain't Wingstop. Don't ask. It's not Wingstop, yeah.
This gravy is bussin'.
This is good. Don't forget. You think I forgot? The link is in the description. Y'all trying to get me away from not saying it. No, I would not forget.
That's true. You don't forget.
Yeah. If you don't want to go down there below in the description,
Hot.
go to www.com. The Greedy Couple Patties. Okay. And remember, we also sell half a dozen now. You still mix and match. Okay. So get it while it's hot, not while it's not. Okay.
We might even start selling some Jamaican products someday besides patties. Stay tuned.
I appreciate every one of y'all that's supporting.
And our repeat people who order.
It's ordering again.
We have customers, family members who order a lot. And I'm like, wow, they really love it. I mean, shoot, we love it.
If you haven't tried it, go see what that buzz about. You know what I'm saying? No cap. Here we go. We got this. You know what? Stop it. You know what it is already. I'm not gonna say it, people. You say it. Okay? Yeah, man. Food nice, man. I like my you. Food nice, B.
Pepper, get me too.
Food sweet, brother. Nice. All right. Hold on. I'm gonna give y'all some. Some. Hold on.
So good.
Yeah, you're good.
So good. So good.
And I like how the steak is small. Not big.
It is good. I had some leftover corn. And I was like, I'm not gonna wait.
That again, my unit. You never asked you.
I don't know. Who are you talking to?
I never know the corn was left over.
Yeah.
I'm talking to myself. I never know the corn was left over till you go tell me.
So?
Corn nice though. See? They didn't even know. They look at the corn when I showed them. They said, God damn, that corn look good. Is it left over?
It's about like 4 days old.
It says 4 days old and look. It still look good, right?
I didn't want to waste it. You know.
If you didn't tell me, I wouldn't know it.
I put it in the freezer and keep that sucker.
Family. The first time they never tell me, I would have never known what left over. Wow.
It is so good. And normally,
Tom,
when I make it,
you know some of them guys I know, can't sweet your freak.
Sweet?
Yeah, man.
Normally, I make pepper steak, I make it in the oven. Today I made it on the stove. It came out just as good.
And it's so seasoned.
Yeah, man.
Everything you make tastes good. Yes, I know y'all say that first lady. First lady is a good cook. She is. I heard y'all. Over there in the corner.
What you guys been up to?
I just about to ask how they would.
Yeah? My bad.
I wonder if I don't know. When you drink something, you close your eyes. Does you do that, or just me alone?
I do it.
Y'all do that, family? When you're drinking something so good, and you just stop right here. I didn't reach here yet. Just stop right there, and you have to close your eyes. I know. Tell me how if y'all do that too, for real. This is good. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna give you a piece with the pepper steak. What, you want onions on it too?
The onion is so good.
Okay, I'm gonna give you some with that, and I'm gonna give you a big bite. So, all your peoples with a small little mouth, I gotta open up wide now. Okay, let's get it. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Hold on, give me some time. There we go, people. Here. See it? And here again. Okay, we good. Gucci now.
Ooh.
That's good. I loved it.
Now, pepper steak is usually not spicy, but you know what? I had to put a little kick to it, dog.
Nice one. Nice. This meal was worth it. Guys, we love the crunch of the broccoli and sauce. Broccoli supposed to be seasoned.
Yeah.
How you make your broccolis?
I put salt on it.
Yeah, nice.
I steamed it though. I didn't boil it. I steamed it.
Nice.
I put some salt on it.
Do you guys like your broccoli crunchy? I sure do. What are you looking at? Food nice and freaking my youth. I gotta take my time. Family,
I'm looking at you. It's not people like.
I gotta take my time today, you know?
What's a little bit? A lot of food right there.
Wow, is this?
After I eat dinner, a few hours later, I drink some tea. I love tea.
Yeah, tea in my youth.
Yeah, man. I love tea, man. Where is it?
Who that? I know y'all people was following up with the story because you want to know what's going on. Trust me.
Final part.
Yes. Yep, she does tell a good story. It's true. Yeah, she's very good. She tell good story.
I try to be detailed because I'm gonna tell you the truth.
And no, we're not giving y'all those people name. No.
I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. I'm very detailed because I don't like when someone tells me a story, they leave so much stuff out. I'm the queen of asking questions. I'm like, well, why did they do that? What happened afterwards? How long did they do that for? Where they live now? Where did they go? How often did they do that?
Yeah, because God knows.
Have you saw them do it before? And then they're like, well, I don't know. I didn't ask. And I'm like, you can't tell me the story then because I need to know everything. Okay?
I nosy. You want to in their business. That's why. With them nosy.
Very nosy. You know, if you call me and you tell me a story, don't just tell me, girl, let me tell you how I just fell and tripped. I'm going to be like, You woke up this morning. Elaborate. You know? No. I'm gonna ask you what color shoes you had on, what kind of shoes you had on, where were you, what time of day was it, were you running, were you in a rush, were you drinking, why you just fell. You understand? Those are good questions, by the way.
People them just drop my youth. Yeah. I'm like a news reporter, might you? A news reporter.
I am. Why would you just fall?
Sometimes me just drop, I don't want to drop.
See? It doesn't make sense. So I have to ask questions to make it make sense. That's why. So.
The grand finale. All right. Whenever you're ready, it's your time now. Elaborate. You done? Oh.
So they left on Wednesday. They didn't come back until Monday. So then they came Monday and they're doing the tiling. And they're very slow in the tiling, very slow. That day they didn't go to Home Depot. Well, he didn't go to Home Depot, so
You're already mad because you're giving me your money.
yeah. So he said to me, is it okay if, let's say at that point, 50% of the kitchen was done? Yes, only 50. And we're going on 3 weeks now. He said, if I finish more of the kitchen today, can I get more of my money? And I said, no.
Person around put that money in a person open the money tight, brother.
You get your money when the work is done. So he said, okay. So I noticed that day he's working fast and hard and he just going at it. So I'm like, wow, he really want his money.
Mucho dinero, man.
Mucho dinero. So he put the toe kick on. He finished the backsplash. He put the doors up, the drawers in. He was moving. But just those little things, that little thing that I explained, you would think it only took him about 3-4 hours. They took him the whole day. They didn't leave that day until like 8, 9 o'clock at night.
And they were left late. That was the latest they ever leave.
That was the latest they ever left. I still didn't give him his money because the work wasn't done. He rushed the toe kick. So under the cabinet, there's a space between. It's like toe kick panels, different names for it. Basically, it's hiding the base of the cabinet so you can't see under the cabinet.
Everything just blends.
Right. So he rushed and did that, and when you look under there, you can see the space between the toe kick and the tile, which you shouldn't see any of that stuff.
Yep, true.
So I said, all right, when he comes, because every time they leave, I go through it and I look and I mark what I need them to do, blah, blah, blah. They didn't even grout yet. They just finished tiling, but they didn't grout. So now,
You more piss.
the next day come, and they're going to tackle the bar area. In our kitchen, it's an area that has it's called a breakfast bar. You guys know what that is. If you don't, just type it in. You will see it. Breakfast bar. Okay? Remember, we have butcher block countertop, so we're going to have the butcher block as the bar. So he said to me, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a couple of screws and Miss Shanice, I'm going to ying, ying, ying. So I said, what is ying, ying, ying? He said, I'm going to drill a hole, drill in the butcher block on the top all the way to the bottom to get to the stud. So I said to him, you really think I'm going to let you sit there and drill into my butcher block that I just paid so much money for? Oh, no. We'll use wood filler. Let me show you. I said, okay. So he got a piece of scrap butcher block.
Demonstrate.
Drill the hole. Try to put wood, whatever, finishing with whatever.
Wood finisher.
And I said, that doesn't look good. You show less. You don't have to show me no more. I'm good. So he's like, oh, no, it'll work. I said, no, you got to figure something else out. So he said, okay, what we're going to do, we're going to put these long suspenders and it'll hold up the butcher block. And I said, I don't want that. I want it to look like it's floating. I don't want nothing holding on to it. I don't like that. It's going to look tacky to me. Okay? So, wait, you're really trying to eat slow.
No, my first story. No, I'm done. No, I'm not. I want you to talk because I want some of your thing. Because I'm too far.
Here. What do you want?
No, tell the story. I want you to eat and tell the story.
Yo, Mr. Said, so so he said, okay. I said, I'm going to get something that you can. It's like this long, 12 inches. And I said you can use that to screw into the 2x4, and then you screw it underneath to the butcher block. He said, okay, no problem. Just get it, and then when I come tomorrow, I will do it. Okay. Again, I didn't give them any money. They still have little knickknacks to do.
Where they could have been covered.
They still have to grout. Even though they put drawers in, they still have drawers to put in. They still have the garbage can to put in. They still had finishing touches to do. The kitchen was not done.
The stuff that they could have done a long time ago.
A long time ago was not done. So the next day now, he inboxed me and said, yeah, I can come tomorrow. I'll see you Wednesday.
That's when the problems start. Okay.
So I said, this is not going to work for me. Because you're going to come Wednesday. You still have a lot to do. Remember, he did not do the breakfast area because he told me to order the part. So I'm like, this is not going to work. And we still couldn't use our sink.
We couldn't do it, family. We could not do it.
Okay?
Was out of sync, was out of commission, son.
Out of commission. So I said, this is not going to work. We need our sink. We need our kitchen. You gave us a week.
Exactly.
We're going on 3 weeks.
Yeah.
If you don't come tomorrow, don't come at all. The money that I owe you, I will use it and find somebody else to finish the job. Simple. He said, oh, that's not fair. You still owe me money. I did your kitchen. And blah, blah, blah. Then he tried to blame me and say, the reason why the kitchen is not done is because you don't have the other side of the countertop. The butcher block is special order. Not everyone has that. Not everywhere has it. So I said to him, the butcher block on this side has nothing to do with the rest of the kitchen.
Yeah.
You still have the sink to fix. You still have to grout. You still have to put the caulk in. You still have to wipe stuff down. You still have to put the drawers, the more cabinet doors. There's a lot of stuff needed to be done that you have left to do. So I said, that's it. If you don't come tomorrow, don't come back. He never came back.
You didn't come back. I said, yo, if you can't come tomorrow, you already was off every week for 4 days, 5 days. And then still got so much stuff to do, you don't say you can't come at the last minute too? Nah, it doesn't work like that. You're fired, Felicia. He got fired.
He should have been fired the week before that.
So
we ended up
finish the story.
having to hire somebody else to come and finish it. And our kitchen is about 90% finished. Now it's just something that I have to buy for them to come and install it. And I'm waiting for one more door from IKEA. Yes, I'm still waiting for doors.
Still waiting for doors.
Okay.
Other than that, everything is done.
Everything is done. So, and the reason why I'm waiting for a hood to go above the stove.
Yeah, wait for what?
One hood.
Yo,
But never said wood.
No, you're not wait for that. You're wait for a overlayer to go. Don't watch yourself, boy. You're wait for wood. Yo, don't mean it.
A hood.
No, you're not. You're waiting for an overlayer fan. Don't we talk about what you talking about?
I'm waiting for this big piece of wood.
Family, she's not waiting for no hood, okay? But our family member that's not from the island. If you have an island friend that's Jamaican or whatever, go find out what we're talking about right there. But that's just a inside joke. But Jamaicans don't know, but she's not waiting for that.
Whatever.
She's waiting for the fan to go over layer. That's
yes.
it.
And again, when I'm doing something, I'm very meticulous about it. Oh, and I need to get doorknobs, kitchen knobs. Again, when I'm doing something, I'm very meticulous about it. I will research it because I'm not going to put something in there and then I don't like it. So that's the only thing that's left in the kitchen. So that was the end. And let me tell you guys something. One thing, if you hire somebody and they tell you on day one, we're going to come here with 4 or 5 guys, and they show up with only 2 guys, That's a no-go.
That's a no.
It's a bad sign.
Bad sign.
That happened to us twice, and both times, it took forever. My sister referred me to some people to do the other floors in our house, and he said, I'm gonna have 45 guys, and me and Richie looking like, you're right. Here we go again. The morning when he came, and he's backing up in the driveway to the house, one guy jumped out. So Richie and I looked at each other and go, here we go again. It's only 2 of them. Before we turned our head, about 5 people come out of that van.
Those are the people you need.
They were finished the floors, okay, and the rest of the house in about 3 days.
Yep.
Okay? The first guy that we hired to do the floors, it took him almost a month.
Yes, but don't get us wrong. The first guy we hired, he knows his work a lot. Very good, but his time management sucks.
Sucks to high hell.
He's really, really good. We ain't gonna lie about that. But the time management, if you say a time, we want you to be there time. You know what I'm saying? Don't start off saying this and then you don't do that. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, his work was good. But
he was another one who liked to go on vacation.
Yeah, exactly.
Come at 10, by 1 o'clock, I'm gone. Come at 11, by 2 o'clock, I'm gone.
But he was better than the second people them. The one that
for the kitchen?
Yeah. But his time management sucks.
His time management sucks, but he does know his work.
He does his work.
But I won't hire him again. So we don't refer him. We only refer people who is the time management is good, their prices are good, their personality is good, and they're teaching you what they're doing. You know, you want to inform your customers, listen, the reason why I'm doing this is because, you know what I mean? You have a crack in your concrete. I have to do this, and that, so that this way when I lay the tile it'll last for 10, 20, 30 years. Teach us so we can understand what you're doing. Don't just come there and just start doing stuff. And then, matter of fact, and another thing is, please don't come here, okay, and start changing stuff and start picking out crown molding or picking out baseboard or picking out doorknobs or picking out. Don't do that without running it by me, because if I don't like it, you got to take it down and do it over.
Hey, I witness it all. Trust me, they have to take it down. Remember, you're paying your money.
That's right.
You gotta get what you want, okay? We appreciate y'all for rocking with us with the story, because I know y'all like it and y'all nosy and y'all want to know what's going on. Don't forget, we have a cooking video coming on in the kitchen. When it's all said and done, we're gonna cook up a storm. So I hope you're ready for that live, okay? We appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us. And if you're new, we are the...
What happened?
What? Oh shit, my word of wisdom.
You tired?
Don't worry. Blooper. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Word of wisdom time.
You have mashed potatoes all over your forehead?
No, my forehead are yours.
Okay, next time I'm gonna leave it there. Let me see. In your hair too?
Wait, they got on my part?
Oh,
please. Actually get on my part. No, I'm gonna say it. All right, family, y'all let me go away, and I ain't say the word of wisdom. You see that because y'all so interested in the story I told you about y'all. All right, let's go. What I got for them today?
Let's see.
Family, First Lady, listen to this. Happiness means loving yourself and being less concerned with the approval of others.
Yep.
I'm gonna say that again. Should I say that again because they didn't remind me? All right. Happiness means loving yourself and being less concerned of the approval of others.
That's very true.
If you could relate, and if you want to participate, you participate. But yeah,
we tore this food up.
We tore it, and they too go. While we wasn't looking, they was going. So, if you're new, I am Richie. This is Shanice, aka First Lady. You know what I'm saying? This is, we just eat and talk about anything or interact with y'all. That's what we do on this channel, okay? Positive vibe. First Lady, they are?
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Our daughter starts high school tomorrow.
Oh, don't say that. She looks so grown.
High school. She's so little.
Look at her go get the eyebrows on fleek. And the nails on fleek ready. Oh my God, I don't want. Bye!